In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a database in Notion. Whether you're reorganizing your workspace or simply getting rid of outdated information, knowing how to delete a database can keep your Notion dashboard clean and efficient. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's start from your Notion homepage. When you first log in, you'll find yourself on this page. From here, you need to navigate to the specific workspace where your desired database is located. Now, choosing the right workspace is vital, because Notion's organized structure relies on having different workspaces for varying projects, teams, or personal goals. Once you have the correct workspace in mind, go ahead and click on it. After entering the workspace, the next thing you'll need to do is identify the database you intend to delete. Here, it's important to remember that databases in Notion can contain crucial information, such as project details, timelines, and extensive notes. So make sure it's the correct one before proceeding. Now, when you locate the database, you're looking for an icon that resembles 6 dots, often found at the top left or next to the database's title. Clicking on these 6 dots will reveal a range of options. Notion's interface is designed to be user-friendly, providing several functions like duplicating, moving, or even sharing the database. However, for today's purpose, our focus will be solely on deleting it. So, look through the menu and identify the delete option. It's usually at the lower part of the menu options for easier accessibility. Click on it, and you might be prompted with a confirmation to ensure you want to proceed with deletion. This confirmation step is crucial. It's your moment to make absolutely sure that this database can be safely removed. Once you confirm, the database will be permanently deleted from the workspace, so double-check your choice to prevent any accidental data loss. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a database from your Notion workspace. It's as simple as following your homepage to your correct workspace, identifying the specific database using the 6-dot menu, and making sure to confirm the deletion. Maintaining an organized workspace in Notion is all about regularly updating and clearing out unneeded databases to ensure your work environment stays fluid and uncluttered. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. By following these steps, you can easily manage your Notion workspace by removing databases you no longer need. If this was helpful, don't forget to check out more of our guides for other Notion tips and tricks.